We often hear about climate change in the media. But what exactly is climate change and why is it important? To understand climate change, you first need to understand the greenhouse effect and why greenhouse gases are important. The greenhouse effect is a naturally occurring phenomenon in the Earth's atmosphere. As energy from the sun enters the atmosphere, some of this energy is reflected back into outer space, and some energy is trapped in the atmosphere. This flow of energy traps enough heat in the atmosphere to allow for life on Earth to flourish. The energy is trapped in the atmosphere partly due to the presence of greenhouse gases. Greenhouse gases include water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, and others. Human activities are increasing the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. Burning coal to generate electricity, burning petrol in cars, some chemical processes and industries, and many farming activities all add to the amount of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This increase in greenhouse gases is causing more energy to be trapped in the atmosphere. You can think of the atmosphere as a blanket that's getting thicker and thicker as more greenhouse gases are released into the atmosphere. As more energy gets trapped, the atmosphere heats up. This heating up process is referred to as global warming. As the Earth's atmosphere gets hotter, there are impacts on how global weather systems work. Some areas will experience large increase in temperatures, while others will have less marked increase in temperatures. Some areas will get more rain, while others will get less. These large-scale changes in long-term weather patterns is what is referred to as climate change. Climate change has direct and indirect impacts on the world we live in. The three major direct impacts are increased global temperatures, more variable rainfall, and rising sea levels. Global temperatures are rising due to the increased heat being trapped in the atmosphere. These rising temperatures, in turn, affect the amount and flow of moisture in the atmosphere, which causes changes in rainfall patterns. And as temperatures increase, the oceans expand and more ice and snow melts, resulting in sea level rise. Linked to these direct impacts are a wide range of indirect impacts. These include changes in crop production, impacts on biodiversity, damage to coastal properties, increased spread of diseases, as well as floods and droughts, to name a few. Climate change is therefore a critical issue that will affect us all, and because it affects all of us, we all have a role to play in responding to it. You can begin by clearly understanding what the priority risks from climate change are in your area, and from there, what kinds of projects and actions you can take to reduce these risks.